coaching staff, we've done everything in our power to make sure that we were prepared for this game. And it's something it was never a secret, If you look back from 2018, we always spoke about 2023, and miracle happened in Japan. But yeah, it was always part of the plan to make sure that we perform and peak at the right time for this World Cup, and the preparation will be going very well. And we can also see at least with our selection, the team selection that we have, unfortunately with the guys like Max, they couldn't be here to play, but he will be joining us and my peeps. But once again, we're in a good space as a coaching staff, to be able to select the best of three to represent our country.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uthi iqembu lesizwe lisethubeni lokuqopha omunye umlando.
On the eve of a war, call it a war, I think our boys are ready. Almost Springboks are no longer a South African brand. This is a global brand that is celebrated by everybody. And I think they've made history. Whatever happens tomorrow, which we will win, I think they've made history. They've made us proud. We're here to support them, to express a message from back home. The president will arrive tomorrow to lift up the World Ellis tomorrow evening.
Ngisho naseFrance munye umuzwa. Ekhaya wonke umuntu weseka Amabhokobhoko, kanti selokhu iqalile imidlalo yendebe yomhlaba. Njalo ngoLwesihlanu abantu bebedlubha izikipa zamaBhokobhoko iphezulu imimoya ezweni. ENingizimu Afrika nasemhlabeni wonke liluhlaza igazi, insizwa zombala ohlaza nosagolide zikowamanqamu endebe yomhlaba. Nasemsebenzini lukhulu bumbano kwesekwa Amabhokobhoko. Kungenzeka indebe yeWeb Ellis ibuye ekhaya okwesine manje. Sonke siyawuzwa umuzwa wokunqoba kwamaBhokobhoko. Go Boke, go!